Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the color balance on your copy on the Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the menu. Now let's select function settings and here go to the copy. After that, click on the change default settings copy, and here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the color balance. Here, as you guys can see, we can manage all of those colors. Let me quickly go in here. We have every single color. We have the yellow, we have the magenta, we have the cyan, and I'm not really sure what a K is, but I'm pretty sure it's just black. So as you guys can see here, we can manage those colors just like that, and then we can just click on apply and those settings will be, as you guys can see, adjusted. So now I'll show you the second way on how you guys can do that. So as you guys can see, I am on the side of our printer. Let me log out and show you guys how I got here. Basically, I chose the system manager mode because then a lot of options are possible to get into, and when you're in the general user mode you won't see a lot of those options. So now, after you enter your remote UI password or the PIN, if you don't remember one, then simply you can make a new one on the printer, and then we can go over to settings and registration. After that, we need to go over and go to function settings, go to copy settings, and then click edit right here. After we click on edit, we will be redirected to this little site here. It looks a bit hard to understand, but we just need to scroll down until we see the color balance, and it's right at the bottom. So here we have the cyan, we can change it like that, as you guys can see, and here we also have the fine adjust. We do not have it on our printer, so here we can adjust the high, medium and low for every single color, the cyan, magenta, yellow and black, and now we can just click on OK and it will apply our settings. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.